Hi friend, I get to show you an up-close look at the vanity that we picked out for my daughter, and she is in love. I'm going to show you through this video kind of a little bit of the assembly. It really wasn't that hard. We put on Beast games with our family and we all worked on this, and it was really easy and fun to assemble if you like IKEA-like furniture. Everything came in perfect, like all the handles, and I'm a big furniture person and I love the hardware on these. These were so easy to install. They're a gorgeous rose gold color. I'm going to show you up close. And they just drill right into the back of the drawer. So you don't even have for it right here. It's only on that top drawer pull out. The top has tempered glass. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And the mirror is so perfectly clear. I honestly thought the resolution was like not going to be that great. No, it's like as good as our like LED $500 mirror in the bathroom. So I love this. She loves it. We're going to show you some of the light settings. We had it on last night and she was setting it up and she was so excited. But this came in perfectly. So highly recommend this one if you were looking for a vanity for your kid. This one is a great one, and look at all the drawers. And I'm going to tag the other product too because you can actually get one with more drawers than this. Let's look at it up close. We're still figuring out where everything should plug in, but she is a little artist, and so she loved that her little pen cup sat right here. You can also have a water bottle here, or your coffee if it fits in there. Here's your cord for the lights, and this changes the colors. This turns it on and off, which makes it brighter. So you've got the different color settings right there. And then you can turn it up as well to make it so bright. My son was like, this is like a movie star sitting room. I was like, yep. You've got a USB-C right in the port right here. You've got a USB cord right there. You've got two different plugs. Oh, I just unplugged her alarm clock. Whoops. You've got a whole strip right here. And then when it comes back, we actually put it into a sleek socket plug because this was behind one of the drawers, and so having that flat plug back there and then having the extension cord plugged in is absolutely perfect. So highly suggest go see my video on the sleek socket. But look at these drawers up close and you can see through the top. I mean, this tempered glass was awesome, you guys, and everything came in so well packaged. It was heavy, don't get me wrong. It took almost three of us to get it up the stairs to start assembling, so just be really careful. She obviously hasn't filled all these drawers in, but you guys know this type of assembly, real easy, especially if you have the Hodo screwdriver. Look how cute all these drawers are. You've got so many too. And you don't have any that are too deep that are gonna get like stuff lost in it. I love that it has all the same height of drawers throughout this so that none of her stuff goes missing, which it typically did in the other vanity. These separators are also on Amazon. So cute. I love it. I love everything about this, and she is so excited.
Cameras in this room. I have a verdict.
We're transferring all the stuff from the old vanity into the new vanity. How beautiful is this? You got your tempered glass. The mirror quality is so clear. Oh my gosh, and the lights work great. We're gonna set it all up and then show you the finished product. Finished the vanity, and we got it in place. So I'm gonna do a review during the day tomorrow when it's a little bit brighter, but she has already started organizing her drawers. How cute is this? What's your favorite part about this vanity?
My favorite part is partially the mirror because it has these really cool lights, and then the mirror overall is really nice.
And let's show them what the lights do. Oh, also she put her little craft pens in this little cup holder. The lights do what?
So this makes them brighter. They're the brightest one. This makes them dim.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can press it to go brighter. And then this changes the color.
So cool.
Yeah. And then you can just turn it on and off.
So cool. The handles are, I think, my favorite part. I'm big on hardware, and they are just gorgeous.